आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7th की हिस्ट्री आवर पास 2 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 ट्रेसिंग चेंजेस थ्रू अ 1000 years। इस चैप्टर की हम वेरी इजी समरी करेंगे। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इस चैप्टर के आज हम कवर करेंगे। चैप्टर का नेम ही है जैसे कि ट्रेसिंग चेंजेस थ्रू अ 1000 year। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है। This chapter talks about how India changed over the last 1000 years from around 700 CE to 750 CE. It helped us understand how kings, maps, names, languages, and cultures changed over time. So, how do we know about the past? हमें पास्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चलता है? Historians use manuscripts, inscriptions, coins, and old buildings to learn about the past. Earlier records were written by hand on palm leaves or paper. These are called manuscriptures. Sometimes different versions of the same story exist. Second, who wrote the history? People who wrote history were scribes, writers, and chronicles, those who recorded events. Al-Adrasi, a Muslim geographer, made a map of India in 1154 CE, which looks very different from modern maps. Next, Brahmins, Muslims, and other groups had their own views on history. New and old terminologies, words and their meanings changed over time. Example, the word Hindustan in early times meant the land of the Indus River, but later it referred to India as a whole. And then also one word foreigner. In past, the foreigner word used to the person who live a other village. ठीक है, and but now this word used as a foreigner, that person belongs to other country. New political and social groups. From 700 to 750 CE, many new dynasties came to power like Delhi Sultanates, Mughals. Tribes and forest dwellers became part of society. Merchants, farmers, rulers, and religious people formed different communities. Next, historians and them sources. Historians choose manuscripts, inscriptions, coins, travels, writings. They try to understand how people lived, ruled, and changed society. Historical periods. Historians divided Indian history into three parts: ancient, oldest period, medieval, middle period, and modern, recent period. This division was made by British historians, and sometimes it may not fully match Indian history.